Ever grappled with the intricacies of video editing or wished there were a magic wand to streamline the whole process? Well, today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence where AI tools are revolutionizing video editing, making it more accessible, efficient, and less time-consuming. We're exploring 3 top-notch AI video editing tools: Magisto, Adobe Premiere Pro, powered by Adobe Sensei, and Lumen 5. Each of these tools has its unique features, strengths, and limitations. First up, Magisto. This AI tool is a real game changer for those looking for a quick and efficient way to produce high-quality videos. Magisto shines with its ease of use and its ability to create videos in a matter of minutes. Simply choose your video style, add your footage, and let Magisto's AI do the rest. But it's not all roses. While Magisto excels in simplicity, it might leave advanced users wanting more control over their editing process. Next, we have Adobe Premiere Pro, powered by Adobe Sensei. This is a powerhouse for video editing. Adobe Sensei uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on creativity. It offers features like auto-reframing, color matching, and facial recognition. However, this tool is not for the faint-hearted. With its advanced features, it requires a steep learning curve and could be overwhelming for beginners. Lastly, we have Lumen 5. This AI video editing tool is perfect for creating social media content. It allows you to convert blog posts into engaging videos with its smart use of relevant images and videos. However, its limitation lies in its lack of advanced editing features. It's a great tool for beginners and social media marketers, but might not be the best choice for advanced users seeking detailed editing control. To sum it up, Magisto stands out for its simplicity and speed, ideal for beginners and those who need quick results. Adobe Premiere Pro, powered by Adobe Sensei, is perfect for those who want to dive deep into the world of video editing, offering advanced features and automation, while Lumen 5 is the go-to tool for creating social media content. With its easy conversion of text to video, it may not satisfy users looking for a more comprehensive editing suite. Whether you're a novice dipping your toes into the world of video editing or a seasoned pro looking for more efficient ways to work, there's an AI tool out there to meet your needs. Remember, the best tool is the one that serves your unique requirements and makes your video editing journey smoother. So, why not give these AI video editing tools a try and see how they can transform your workflow? After all, the future is here and it's powered by AI.